Welcome back to Crypto Data Science channel. I'm on a bit of a warpath right now. I'll show you right now what's caused this. Get pocket. It's this article right here on Yahoo News. It's actually quoting USA Today. COVID-19 live updates. What does live updates mean? That's the first question. It isn't changing it right a minute. And Google gives employees a COVID mental day off ahead of Labor Day. And here's the last part. Model predicts 410,000 U.S. deaths by January. The first thing that's interesting about this is the first death wasn't reported till March. But on the other hand, this has given me a break because that means there's less chance of them reaching that 410,000 by the end of January than there would be in March. Okay. Next, I want to introduce you to a book. If you're interested in data science, if you pardon the expression, this is the Bible of data science. The primary author, Hadley Wickham, is the primary developer of both R and RStudio and Tidyverse even. But what I want you to hear about, since we're on the subject of models, on page 18, chapter 18, page 346, he quotes a gentleman by the name of George Box. And George Box is famous for saying, all models are wrong, but some are useful. Now, as he goes down here, at the bottom, Hadley adds to that, he says the goal of a model is not to uncover truth, but to discover a simple approximation that is still useful. Now, my model is going to be based on averages. We're going to calculate the average number of cases and deaths in the U.S. From January 1st until September 4th. All right. So let's do that. We probably won't need this anymore. But let's come back up here. I'm using the database from European Center for Disease Prevention and Control. Very simple SQL statement. Select, comma, M AVG from ECDC, where GEOID equals US. So let's see what we got here. Left off an R. Just for fun, let's just add group by GEOID. See what happens now. Okay. Here's our two numbers. Average cases $24,721. $750. So this would be the average number of cases per day. All right. Okay, that's fine. Now what's our totals? Let's change this to sum. Sum Total cases, about 6 million and change. 6.1 million, 6.2 million. All right. What's the total number of deaths? All right. So what's the total? What's the number of days between September 4th today, 31st, 2021? 149 days. Okay. The thing is, of course, as I said, the first death was reported to March time, but that's okay. That gives us a bit of a break. 149. All right. We can close this. Okay, so let's just do a little basic ALC. So let's just calculate the number of cases it's going to be happening between now and the end of the year. 9 times 24/7. Okay, well, that can't be right. No, that's the number that's going to be left. Plus, okay, which will bring us to how many total cases? Plus, that's not right. To make it easy, let's just make it 62 million. Equals a total of, so now we take 149, 750 deaths average per day, times 149, copy. Let's just say 187,000 plus 187, 200 equals 290, say 300,000 deaths by the end of January. like I said, I'm sure I'm glad they cut that off at the end of January rather than when the first death was reported in March. Hey, but this is their game, this is their model, and this is my model. Time will tell who is better at guessing the number, an amateur or professional. Let's see. Okay. And thanks so much for stopping by. Hopefully this will give you just something to think about. I think when you look at numbers, particularly models, a little skepticism never hurts. And again, remember, all models are wrong, but some are useful. So even the model on Yahoo News could still be wrong and yet still be useful. I mean, if we prepare for 400,000 by the end of January, you have 300,000 instead. Well, that's okay. That's okay. But anyway, thanks so much for stopping by and putting up my little temper tantrum here. If you haven't done so already, please click that red S button in the bottom right-hand corner and subscribe to the Caribou Data Science channel. Comments, suggestions, requests, always appreciated in the comment section below. Thanks so much. Have a nice day.